If you love cooking and have a creative flair, then you have all the ingredients to study catering at Coleg Gwent. From entry level all the way up to advanced professional cookery, you'll get hands-on experience preparing meals and serving the public in our commercial bar and restaurants. And as part of our Chefs Forum partnership, you'll attend masterclasses and work alongside chefs at top of their game like Michelin star James Somerin and the Great British Menu's Tom Westland. So you're guaranteed to be learning amongst the best to meet the high standards of the fast-paced food sector. Through a balance of theory and practice, you'll build a portfolio under the guidance and support of expert tutors, covering all aspects from food prep and cooking techniques to using kitchen equipment and customer service skills. You'll work and study in our fully equipped industry standard facilities and our on-campus restaurant, which is undergoing some exciting developments. Take your skills to competition level in National Culinary Arts with Skills Competition Wales and the Craft Guild of Chefs, competing against the best young chefs in the UK. To find out more about catering courses, browse our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.